guys, it's Cheryl and welcome back to another Confidence Edit. We are here with another installment of our series Behind the Treatment, this time for one of our very first formulations, Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer. Rapid Repair was one of the very first formulations we ever came out with, and we wanted to create a universal treatment that was suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive. And you might be thinking, all moisturizers are good. It's kind of like pizza. Even when it's bad, it's still good. But no, a truly good moisturizer will make a significant difference in your skincare routine. When we created Rapid Repair, we set out to have a formulation that you would want to go back to every day of the year throughout all of the seasons, no matter what your skin was going through. This is a tried and true treatment that can fit into any regimen. Rapid Repair features a really beautiful ingredient story that works to soothe and hydrate and restore the skin. You'll see the formulation actually appears blue, and that's because it's powered by two skin calmers. One is Chamomile and the other is Azulene, which is a beautiful blue flower that's derived from chamomile. Just like you would drink a chamomile tea if you have an upset stomach, the chamomile in the formulation works to soothe and de-stress and calm the skin. Furthermore, the formulation is powered by collagen amino acids, which instantly go to work to reinforce and fortify the skin. Supportive ingredients like avocado oil and grapeseed oil go to provide antioxidant function to the skin and reverse signs of damage. What I love about Rapid Repair is that it instantly sinks into the skin, and it's not too heavy. This is a moisturizer that can be used all year round, even during summer months, because of its lightweight feel. It also serves as a wonderful base layer before putting on your makeup to allow the products that you use thereafter to really work and perform at their best. Rapid Repair features a clean beauty formula that is formulated without parabens, sulfates, and even synthetic fragrance. It's so important to us, especially when it comes to a moisturizer, to deliver a formula that is worry-free, that does not have any of the ingredients that can pose potential harm to your skin or to your health. So with Rapid Repair, trying it is truly believing. It's one thing to see a moisturizer out there and say, I've tried something like that. But when you experience the formulation and the finish of Rapid Repair, you truly understand what we were aiming for, which is to create the perfect moisturizer. This product has gotten into the hands of beauty editors all across the country. Rapid Repair has been recognized as the best sensitive skin moisturizer in the New Beauty Awards of 2025. New Beauty is a beauty authority that literally tests thousands upon thousands of products every year for their beauty awards, and to come back and say that we are the best sensitive skin moisturizer out there really speaks volumes and is a testimony to the effectiveness and the impact of this treatment. 20 years ago, we set out to come out with the perfect moisturizer, and Rapid Repair is just that. If you've tried Rapid Repair, let us know in the comments. We would love to hear your experience with the product. If you want to see more content from Dermalect, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.